Welcome, dear student. Good morning to everyone. In previous period, we discussed about arithmetic progressions. Today, we discuss about examples on arithmetic progression. Let us start. Good morning to everyone. In previous period, we discussed about arithmetic progressions. Today, we discuss about examples on arithmetic progression. In previous period, let us start. We solve one example. Which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. First example we solve here. Then next example, sequence is given, that is 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 3, dot. In solution, the sequence is 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 3, dot. Let first term denoted by T1 as, that is 2, then second term denoted by T2, that is 5 upon 2, third term, that is T3, B here, and fourth term, that is T4, 7 upon 3, and so on. Then, for finding arithmetic progression, we want the difference between consecutive term, लगतच्या क्रमागत पदामधील फरक. Difference between first two term, that is next term T2 minus previous term T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 upon 2 minus first term is 2. Is equal to S, that is denominator is 1, then LCM of denominator is 2, then cross multiplication is 5 minus this cross multiplication is 4. Then subtraction is 1 upon 2. Then next term, conjugate terms are second and third. Then next term, that is third term minus previous term, second term, T3 minus T2. Value of T3 is 3 minus value of T2 is 5 upon 2. Yes, denominator is 1, but we get subtraction tail here, that is denominator's multiplication 2 cross multiplication, that is 3 2 are 6 minus 5 and 1 cross multiplication 5, subtraction tail here, that is 1 upon 2. Then next difference between consecutive terms, third and fourth. Next term, that is 4 minus previous term, that is T3. T4 minus T3. Value of T4 is 7 upon 3 minus value of T3 is 3. Yes. Good answer given. Here denominator is 1. Denominator's multiplication, that is 3. Cross multiplication, 7 1 is 7 minus this cross multiplication, 3 into 3 9. And subtraction is minus 2 upon 3. And in this way we can take difference. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms are similar. Is it similar? First and second difference is similar, but third is not similar. Therefore, we can say that the difference between any two consecutive terms are not constant. Here, not constant, because first and second is similar, third is different, and therefore the given sequence is not an AP. That is the answer, because difference is not constant, therefore that is not an AP. The next example, is that is, suppose example like this: 2 5 upon 2, 3 7 upon 2, and so on. Then the sequence is, yes, good answer given. The sequence is 2 5 upon 2, 3 7 upon 2. Let first term T1 2, second term that is 5 upon 2, third term that is 3, and fourth term that is 7 upon 2, and so on. Then T2 minus T1. Value of T2 is 5 upon 2 minus T1 is 2. Denominator is 1. Denominator's multiplication 2. Yes, cross multiplication 5 1 is 5 minus 2 into 2 cross multiplication 4. And we can get 5 minus 4 is 1 divided by 2. Then next difference, second and third, that is third minus second term. Value of T3 is 3 minus value of T2 is 5 upon 2. Denominator is 1. Denominator's multiplication 2. Cross multiplication 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1 is 5. What we get? Subtraction, that is 1 upon 2. Then next, consecutive terms difference, that is fourth term minus third term. Fourth term value is 7 upon 2 minus third term value is 3. Denominator is 1. Denominator's multiplication 2. Cross multiplication. 7 1 is 7 minus this cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. Yes, good answer given. And subtraction is 7 minus 6 is 1 upon 2. And in this way we can dot dot dot, we can take different. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms is, here difference is similar. First difference half, second difference 1 upon 2, third difference also 1 upon 2. Means we can get difference similar, that is difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, and therefore the given sequence and difference is constant, therefore sequence is an AP. And question is, if sequence is an AP, find the common difference. Therefore common difference is equal to D denoted, and common difference is constant, that is 1 upon 2. That is the extra answer. In previous example, given sequence is not an AP, therefore we cannot find common. Here this sequence is an AP, and therefore we can say common. Then next example, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and dot. Solution, sequence is the given sequence we write here. Let first term denoted by T1 and its value is minus 10. Yes, good answer given. बऱ्याच विद्यार्थ्यांनी छान उत्तर दिले आहे. रायगड, इंगळे, सावरकर, तेजस पाटील. Yes. Then second term denoted by T2 and its value is minus 6. Third term is T3, its value is minus 2. And fourth term is 2, and so on. Then here difference first and second, that is T2 minus T1. Value of T2 is minus 6 minus value of T1 is minus 10, we write in bracket. S minus 6 and minus minus plus 10. What do we get here? What is the answer? as signs are opposite and opposite sign indicate subtraction. 10 minus 6 we get 4 and larger number sign is plus. Then first and second we take difference, second and third we take difference, that is T3 minus T2 as value of T3 is minus 2 minus value of T2 is minus 6, we write in bracket as good answer given. चव्हाण, गोरपडे, रायटर, उकर, देवगडे. Good answer given. Minus 2 minus minus plus 6. And here what we get? Yes. Correct answer. Here opposite sign indicate subtraction. Subtraction is 4, larger number sign is positive. First, second, third, then third and fourth, that is 4 minus 3. Yes, value of P4 is 2 minus value of P3 is minus 2. Then 2 and minus minus plus 2 plus 2 we get 4 in this way. Dot 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 we can say difference. Here difference between any two terms is similar here. Difference is similar. 4, 4, 4 is constant. The difference is constant and therefore we can say that the given sequence is an AP. If sequence is an AP, then asking question is common difference, that is D. Common difference is similar here, that is 4. In this way we can solve that example. Then next example, that is 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 and so on. In solution, the sequence is 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 and so on. Let first term we denote T1 and its value is 0.3. Second term T2 0.33. Third term T3 0.333. Fourth term T4 0.3333 and so on. Then we take common difference, that is S second term minus first term. second term is 0.33 minus first term is 0.3, and here after 3 infinite zeros are there, 1 0 we consider. Then what is the subtraction? Tell here. What we get subtraction? 0.33 minus 0.30 means 0.03. Then next difference, that is T3 minus T2. Value of T3 is 0.333 minus value of T2 0.33. Here after decimal point 3 numbers are there. Here 2 numbers, 1 0, then we get 3 numbers. Then 0.333 minus 0.330. What is the subtraction? Yes, good answer given. Riker, Savegar, Savan. Correct answer. Yes. Any student, correct answer. What is the subtraction? Subtraction is 0.003. Yes, good answer. Savan, Savegar, Utturkar. Yes. The next difference is T4 minus T3. Value of T4 is 4 times 3 minus 0.3 times 3. Tell here difference. Here 1 0 we consider. Tell here subtraction. What we get? Yes. Difference is 0.0003, and so on. In this way we can take difference between consecutive terms in next term also. Here the difference between any two is good answer given. Pakle, Riker, Savan, Gundle, Gorpade, Savegar, Turkar. Give correct answer. Yes. Difference between any two consecutive terms is difference is constant, similar. Yes. Here 0.03, here 0.003, and here 0.0003. The difference is not constant. Difference is not constant. And what we write conclusion? Therefore, one sequence is not an AP. And if sequence is not an AP, we cannot say common difference. That is then. The next example, 0, -4, -8, -12, and so on. The sequence is 0, -4, -8, -12, and so on. Let first term denoted by S. Many students use correct answer. छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय तुम्ही. S. First term 0, second term that is -4, third term that is -8, fourth term that is -12, and so on. Then T2 minus T1. Value of T2 is -4 minus value of T1 is 0. Yes. And after subtracting, what we get? Yes, good, that is -4. Then second and third difference, that is T3 minus T2. Value of T3 is -8 minus value of T2 is -4. We write in bracket. Yes, -8 minus plus 4. And what we get here? Signs are different. Different sign indicate subtraction. And subtraction is 4. And larger number is 8. Its sign is minus. Then next T4 minus T3. Yes, value of T4 is -12 minus value of T3 is -8. Yes, good answer given. छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय. -12 minus plus 8. What we get? Answer. Signs are different and different signs indicate subtraction. Subtraction is -4 because larger number sign is minus. And in this way we can take common difference. So on. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms is their difference. First is -4, second also -4, third also -4. Means constant or similar. The difference is similar or constant. And what we write conclusion? Therefore, the given sequence and repeat because difference is constant. And given sequence is an AP, then we can write answer, asking answer, that is common difference denoted by D, and common difference, similar difference is -4. Then sixth number example, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, and so on. In solution, the sequence is, we write here sequence, given sequence. Let first term denoted by minus 1 upon 5, second term also minus 1 upon 5, third term also minus 1 upon 5, fourth term also minus 1 upon 5, and so on. Yes, good answer given. Student give correct answer. Good. Then first and second difference, that is T2 minus T1. Value of T2 minus 1 upon 5 minus value of T1 minus 1 upon 5. We write in bracket. Minus 1 upon 5 and minus minus plus 1 upon 5. Numbers are similar, signs are different. Different sign indicate subtraction, and subtraction is fail here. Yes, good answer. That is 0. Both numbers are similar, signs are different, get cancelled, that is 0. Then difference between next two terms, second and third. T3 minus T2. Yes, value of T3 is minus 1 upon 5 minus value of T2 is minus 1 upon 5. This minus 1 upon 5 we write here, minus minus plus 1 upon 5. And here signs are different, that is subtraction, both numbers are similar, that is cancelled, we get 0. Yes. Then T4 minus T3. Value of T4 is minus 1 upon 5 minus value of T3 is minus 1 upon 5. We write in bracket. Yes. Then minus 1 upon 5 and minus minus we get plus 1 upon 5. Signs are opposite, numbers are same, get cancelled, subtraction is 0. In this way, so on, we can get common difference between next terms also. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms is, the difference is here 0, here 0, here also 0, means similar or constant. The difference is constant, and therefore the given sequence is an AP. The sequence is an AP, and if sequence is an AP, then we can write common difference, that is D, and common difference means here 0, 0, 0 similar, common difference is 0. In this way, we can solve that example. You understand that examples? Yes. लक्षात येते का? The next example. Is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. The given sequence is we write here. Let first term we denote T1, that is 3. Second term denote T2, that is 3 plus root 2. Third term 3 plus 2 root 2. Fourth term T4, that is 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. Yes, you understand that example? Good. Then difference between first and second, that is T2 minus T1. Value of T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus value of T1 is 3. Then plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Then remaining is root 2. Yes, the answer given. Barclay give correct answer. Then second and third difference, that is T3 minus T2. Value of T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus value of T2 is, we write in bracket, 3 plus root 2. Then 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 and minus plus minus root 2. Then here plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, and here plus and here minus signs are different. Different sign indicate subtraction. 2 root 2 and here 1 root 2. What is the subtraction? That is subtraction is, yes, that is 1 root 2. Then next difference, third and fourth, that is T4 minus T3. Yes, value of T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus value of T3, we write in bracket 3 plus 2 root 2 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus sign here, sign changes in bracket, minus 3 minus plus minus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. And here plus and here minus. Here plus and here minus signs are different. Different sign indicate subtraction. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is it 1 root 2 and larger number sign is plus. And in this way we can subtract next terms too. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms is here difference is root 2, here difference is root 2, here also difference root 2, means difference is similar, that is constant. Constant च्या जागी similar लिहिलं तरी चालतं. The difference is constant. And therefore what we write conclusion? The given sequence is an AP. And if the given sequence is an AP, then we can write common difference. Common difference is similar here, that is root 2. Common difference denoted by D later. In this way, we can solve that example. Dear student, today we discuss about different examples on arithmetic progressions. You understand that examples? आजचा जो तयार झालेला व्हिडिओ आहे तो संध्याकाळपर्यंत आपोआप यूट्यूबला अपलोड होतो. त्याची तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा याच लिंकला टच करून त्याची रिव्हिजन करू शकता. यूट्यूब लाईव्हचे प्रत्येक व्हिडिओ हे साधारणतः 8 तासाने अपलोड होतात. पुन्हा तुम्ही त्याची रिव्हिजन करू शकता अँड यू गेट मोर अँड मोर मार्क्स इन मॅथमॅटिक्स. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी सी इन नेक्स्ट पिरियड. थँक यू.